Hey everyone, I'm going to make a quick video to show you how easy it is to submit an assignment through Blackboard. So when you're in your course, on the left-hand panel now, you're going to see an option that says Submit OWOW here. When you click on that, there's some directions at the top just to remind you to look at your pictures again to make sure everything's readable, that all of the work shows up on all of your pages, because that's what I'm going to be able to see as well, okay? So click on OWOW number 2, and then at this point, you're going to scroll down and browse your computer. So you should have taken pictures, unless you have a scanner at home. You should have taken pictures with your cell phone, either using one of the scanner apps that I've showed you in a previous video. Save them as a PDF and email them to yourself. And then when you open your email, you can download them and save them on your computer. So when you go to Browse My Computer, search to where you save those. Here's my OWOW number 2. I'm going to click on that. So it appears here in my link. And then I'm going to just hit Submit. Okay? Then you'll get a confirmation that you've submitted your OWOW. You can download it. You can look at it. I can just take a peek at it. Mine's not going to have any work on it because it's the blank one. But you should be able to look at yours with all the answers filled in. Take a peek at it to make sure you have all of the pages with all the answers filled in. And then you should be set. So if you have any questions, let me know. Send me a message that you want a Zoom room, and we can figure out any errors that you're having if something pops up on your computer. All right? So have a good weekend, everyone, and we'll see you on Monday.